In this video, we're going to show you how to create some construction planes in Fusion 360. So, if you've opened up your new Fusion 360 component or part, you'll see there under construct, I've got my different types of planes. So, offset plane, plane at angle, tangent plane, mid plane, plane through two edges, plane through 3 points, plane tangent to facet point, and plane along a path. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go quickly create a box just to show you how these planes work. Okay, so we've just got a sort of box over here. Now the first one we're going to take a look at is offset plane. So it's offsetting a plane on a from a work plane or a flat face. So offset plane, you can either go and select one of the XY planes over there or an existing face. Select it, you'll see there extent, distance, or to object. So if I to click on another object, it would place a copy of that work construction plane on that. So I'm going to say distance, grab the arrow, drag it, maybe I'll put in 50, press enter, and there you've seen I've created my first construction plane. The next construction plane that I've got is plane at an angle. So plane at an angle, first it asks for a line, so it's going to be the line or edge that you're going to rotate the work plane around to create the angled work plane. So I'm going to select that line over there, okay, and there you'll see they have a little dial. Grab it, drag it around, or go and type in a specific angle over there. Once you're happy with that, press enter or click on OK. The next one I can take a look at is tangent plane. Okay, so this I need a spherical sort of face. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a fillet on this edge over here. Let's drag it out. Okay, and going back to construction, tangent plane, select a face, and you'll see there it creates a work plane tangent to that face, and I can drag, and you see how I can drag it along. So it actually follows that curve all the way around, and even it follows all the way around. So it's actually sort of it's making a phantom curve all the way around, as if it was a cylindrical object. So once you're happy with that, click on OK or put in your value, and there you've got your tangent construction plane over there. The next one is mid plane. Okay, so with mid plane, select your first face, and you select the second face, and we'll put a work plane directly through the middle. Okay, now it does not have to be parallel. Those faces do not have to be parallel to create that mid plane. They can be at an angle as well. So let me just go quickly and draw up a component over here. Let's just go and draw a line over here at an angle. Okay, so let's go and extrude this. So finish sketch, extrude that face and that face, drag it up. Okay, so you can see there we've got an angle over there. So now let's go to our construction plane, mid plane, select the first face, select your second face, and it puts a work plane through the middle over there. The next construction plane we're going to get is plane through two edges. So with plane through two edges, I select this edge at the top over here, select this edge at the bottom. Now because it's not parallel, it's not going to allow me to accept this. Okay, so let's go take a look for another edge. There we go, and you'll see that it creates a work plane smack bang through the middle over there. And okay, now it's starting to get a little bit messy over here and just visually impaired. So what I'm going to do is just going to go over here and just turn off the construction plane. Just turn the visibility off so we can see what's going on. So we've got now two freshish inverted commas shapes over here where I can do some more construction planes. Okay, plane through 3 points. Select 1, 2, and 3, and you'll see there it puts a work plane through those 3 points over there. Remember to click on OK to accept the work plane that you got, or the construction plane, sorry, that you got. Okay. Then plane tangent to face at a point. Okay, so now what I need to do is I need to create a point. I'm going to do a tangent on this curved surface, a point sitting somewhere on this edge over here. So I'm going to go and create a 2D sketch, and under my create I'm going to go through point and select a point on the edge over there. Finish my sketch, go back to my construction plane, create tangent to face at point. So first of all, it's asked face and point, so select the face and the point, and there we go. Okay, do it again, construction, tangent to face at point. Okay, let's choose the point first, and then the face. Okay, so you can see there, it doesn't really matter the selection, sort of which comes first, the face or the point to the face. It'll accept both of these over here, and click on OK. And then the last one is plane along a path. Okay, so if I select that, you'll see there I'm looking for a path, and I can select either a 2D path that I've drawn, or I can select an edge, and you can see there it takes that edge all the way around over there. And I can actually drag this all the way around the edge over here and say exactly where I want it, and you'll see there the distance 0.56 goes all the way up to 1 and then back down to 0. Okay, when you're happy with that, you can click on OK. Okay, so we've just quickly shown you for your construction planes how to create these different types of planes. Very easy, very intuitive, and a nice way to be able to create extra geometry that you wouldn't normally be able to create with your initial origin work planes, which is your XY, your XZ, and your YZ plane. And there we go. Thank you very much for watching.